Good afternoon, everyone. This is Byron Thomas Auto Sales in Scotland Neck, North Carolina. I'm bringing you a quick video walk around of this 2018 Ford Edge SEL with 92,000 miles. Really nice mid-size SUV with lots of features. We'll give you a quick walk around and point out some of them. So this Edge has a really nice gold exterior finish. No major dents or scratches, no rust or corrosion. Minor little scuff here on the rear fender. Backup camera, dual exhaust. Also one minor ding, or a couple here towards the bottom of the door panel, but no damage to the paint. Overall, very nice mid-size SUV, clean Carfax report, no accident history or negative history whatsoever. Here's a quick view of the interior on the driver's side. The interior on this Edge is really immaculate. It's been very well taken care of. The leather's in like new condition. No rips or stains. Not even any wear spots. Lots of luxury features. Comes with navigation, heated seats, power driver's seat, dual climate control, and lots of safety features as well, like collision avoidance, blind spot monitoring, adaptive cruise. Very nice interior. Second row is just as clean. Headliner's in great shape as well. Original floor mats, rear AC. No smoky smell or pet odor. Also comes with a power liftgate, which you can also activate by waving your foot underneath the bumper. That way you can open it hands-free. Plenty of space back here. Second row, of course, will fold down to give you a little bit more cargo space. And then you have your spare tire and tools underneath, along with some additional storage. You can see the passenger seat is powered as well. Again, beautiful leather. It's also been recently inspected and comes with the original books. Comes with this 2.0 liter 4-cylinder EcoBoost engine. Runs nice and smooth. Very clean under the hood, no rust or corrosion at all. This Ford Edge also has a nice set of wheels and tires. Comes with the 18-inch alloy wheels that are typically standard with the SEL package. No curb rash, no rust or corrosion on any of the wheels. And it's also got a full set of these Hercules TerraTrack tires. Right around 60 to 70% left on the tread, maybe more. Nice and smooth on the road. Thanks everyone for checking out the video for this 2018 Ford Edge SEL all-wheel drive with 92,000 miles. As you've seen, it's got lots of nice features, clean Carfax report. We encourage you to check out our website, byronthomasauto.com, where you can find more pictures as well as information on this vehicle and the rest of our inventory. And then you can check our Facebook and Instagram pages where we update our inventory regularly. Have a great day.